What is up, guys? Backyard Family Builds here with a 2013 Dodge Charger RT. And today we have overheating, and currently we don't anymore. I was just making this video for the Mopar guys with overheating issues and wondering what can they do um, for cheap, effective, uh, something that will get them by. I found that this works. This is my fourth time using this product, and I never had any issues with this product. Every single vehicle I used on this product, it has worked. Um, so again, this is my sister's vehicle. She came to me last night just to see me, and spend some time. And she was telling me, I have this vehicle too. Here's my 2014 police package RT. And so she just inquired this vehicle. Let me try to zoom you guys out. Yeah, let me. I know it's weird. Zoomed in a little bit. She just inquired this vehicle. Previous owner painted this. This is a red flag here for me. Uh, Not being able to tell the level of the coolant. You can only tell from that side of the reservoir, which wasn't good. The vehicle kept overheating. I bled the system here, and nothing. It's 2 times max out. On bleeding system, which it should work. After the second try, if you don't get it on the first. A total of 5. I knew something wasn't right. I thought I had the car running good. There was no overheating. It was idling. I drove it, and it started overheating. And I said, man, wow, what is this? And so when I drove the car, it started smoking too, blowing out a lot of smoke out the rear. And I said, well, sis, well, just park it, get it in the morning. I'll work my magic on it. I went, got a bottle of this, and I did what the instructions said. Now here we have, she didn't have any heat, so that's a telltale sign of blown head gasket, possible air in the system. She did have the water pump replaced just recently, and the thermostat did. I didn't like how they did it, but hey, so I let the system just make sure that the previous person might have left air in there. And so that's where about the needle has been sitting. It's not past the half mark on camera. It looks that, but as you see, it's not.